Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Park the car, set the parking brake, and turn off the ignition before you start working on wipers to avoid accidental activation. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks at about 3.5 inches from the glass so it stays upright. Locate the small plastic release tab on the blade where it connects to the hook. Depress that release tab and slide the blade straight off the hook adapter, keeping control of the arm to avoid snapping it back to the glass. Confirm the correct blade sizes for your Acura TLX. Many models use 26 inches for the driver and 17 inches for the passenger, but measure to confirm before purchasing. Take the replacement blade, align the blade's adapter with the roofed hook on the wiper arm, and push the adapter into the hook until you hear a solid click indicating it is locked. After installation, lower the arm carefully by hand so the blade meets the glass without striking it, reducing risk of cracking or damaging the windshield. Turn on the ignition and test the new wipers at low and high speed, observing for any skipping, streaking, or chatter that indicates improper seating or wrong size. If you see streaking or lifting, recheck blade alignment and adapter engagement. Sometimes rotating the blade one notch or reinstalling correct size resolves the issue. When satisfied, lower the hood, ensure both arms rest evenly, and dispose of the old blades responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.